Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, my friends. Many of you know I love making smoothies. So today I'm going to share with you 3 recipes that are meal replacement smoothies. I recommend most of my clients to include this type of smoothies during their meal plans because they're not your ordinary drinks. I call them liquid superheroes. Why? Because they can help gut health and overall health while reaching your weight goals. I am talking about balanced meals in a glass, power with protein, carbohydrates, fiber, gut-friendly microbes, and heart-healthy fats. So I have partnered with National Dairy Council to share with you how to build 3 meal replacement smoothies. So to benefit gut health, I have infused these smoothies with some probiotics and prebiotics. Let's talk a bit about prebiotics and probiotics. Did you know that the human digestive tract contains trillions of bacterial cells, also known as microorganisms? These bacteria play an important role in our overall health. A fermented food is designated as a probiotic when it contains a study probiotic at a dose that can show a health benefit. Prebiotics are food for beneficial microbes that live on or in us, so they benefit probiotics. Prebiotics are often found in fibrous plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, seeds, and more. Cultured dairy foods like yogurt and kefir typically have the most live microorganisms among fermented foods and are considered probiotic. Now that we know about probiotics and prebiotics, let's get blending. In all of these recipes, I have added a fruit, whole grain, or vegetable that offers a prebiotic fiber source. Now, kefir and yogurt offers probiotics. So our first smoothie is a mango avocado spinach smoothie. It's a mix of lofa kefir, avocado, mango, spinach, and a scoop of protein powder for an added protein boost. Remember, they are meal replacements, so they need to be balanced. Next is for cozy breakfast lovers, but you can have this smoothie any time of the day. A cinnamon oatmeal smoothie. It's a blend of Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, milk, cooked oatmeal, cinnamon, banana, prunes, and walnuts. It can be enjoyed warm or cold. Cottage cheese is a fermented food and may have some live microbes, but not enough to be considered a probiotic unless the strains have been added. So in this smoothie, we have Greek yogurt with live and active cultures as the source of probiotics. For the last one, my favorite, a high protein cherry smoothie. We have mixed kefir, milk, cherries, banana, chia seeds, and protein powder. If you have noticed, I did not add protein powder in the second smoothie, the cinnamon oatmeal smoothie. Why? Because that smoothie had already enough protein because of the Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Alright my friends, the best part, the taste. I'm gonna go for the cherries since I told you that was my favorite. So creamy. So remember, these are not your ordinary smoothies. These are your meal replacement smoothies infused with probiotics and prebiotics, which means your gut bacteria is going to be happy. They're gonna have a party, and your gut will be happy too. Alright my friends, for the recipes, visit my blog. The link is on the post. Now, if you like what you've seen, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can get more of Manuel's Caliente topics. For more inspiration about dairy, visit usdairy.com. Now, thank you for watching. Stay healthy and happy. Bye.